Good morning everyone. Alang ngarag na ako. Actually hindi na morning, afternoon na. Ngayon birthday ng aking asawa. So nagpaplano kaming surprise siya.
So, do we see a spaghetti sauce in the house? Or are we going to the mall, right?
Look at my
Do we
nails.
have spaghetti sauce or not?
Don't have ma. No need to buy.
Huh? Okay. You put that. Put that.
There.
No, you put back.
Candy? 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 Go, 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 go. The carrot I tasted it before. No. He's not nice.
What do you want?
There's something.
What's
There's a time. There's something.
that's a lot. How much is that?
Hey, Papa, you come.
I bought this one.
Anyway.
Hey, do you want to wait outside?
Number one here.
Go inside.
Can you do one side like that?
Mama is doing some work for the first time.
Si paunta ka.
Wow.
What?
Hello?
Say natin.
Nothing, just standing.
Si Sayan.
Friend.
Who's friend?
Friend. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Oh, Mama. It's okay when you put something. But
Yo,
you
yeah,
don't
you.
mess. You can't mess. I put for you. No, Papa, you see, I help you.
Thank you.
And I put for you though. It's very hot.
Huh?
Very hot. But I don't Mama,
Ah.
I will don't tell you.
Just sit down, ha?
Mama, don't.
Gusto mo nalala?
Don't.
Don't what?
Doon pa kondo.
Ito? Sunat pa pa cook fish.
Papa, you know I will don't tell you that.
See you, just sit down there, lalab, ha?
Okay.
Lalab ang giveaway mo. Nasa urat. Kasi this is at the time. Very good, ah.
Or the spoon.
nagluluto ako ng spaghetti. And then, fried chicken. Gumawa rin ako ng cake para mamaya. So, ayan. Magtutunaw ako ng chocolate. Chocolate and then cream para sa ilalagay kong toppings sa cake. So, wish na. Nakalimutan ko bumili ng mushroom. Shrimp. Ay, hotdog naman. Di meron. Sabi siya nag-ihiling. Kada no? Let's sa camera lalab. Come here.
What side? What side? Make the right side, okay? The cake. What side? Where should we put the cake?
Han! Where are you?
Hi.
Let's eat!
The right side, come.
Han!
Let me blow.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Papa.
祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐。
Yes, make a wish.
One,
Two,
how come so many?
three, go. Oh yeah. Wow. Happy birthday, Papa.
Let's eat. Papa also very hungry.
Where are you?
This morning, when I eat breakfast with her this morning, I say, you know, Papa today birthday. You know what she say?
What she
Say, you know, I know. Mama say don't tell Papa.
Oh my god.
No, Mama say don't tell Papa. One go.
Me.
Oh my god.
Thank you.
Like that.
Yeah. Wow, this one Mama cake very nice. Oh, take a photo. Oh, look at Papa. Papa so happy today.
You cook?
Why?
Uh,
Why?
because we are all together.
Teacher, I'm doing.
We are always together, ma.
Thank you. I'm happy for my birthday because my wife prepared spaghetti and cake for me. Very important. Everyone still remember Papa birthday, especially Sichen. Sichen this morning tell Papa. Okay, Mama say don't tell Papa.
And now the sticker driving on.
Kaloka. Useless. Effort namin na prepared lahat. Pero okay lang. Alam niya na pala kaninang umaga.
Hint of idea.
Hint of idea.
Thank you.
Okay. Hope to see you again sa
Sichen
susunod
here,
naming
why you cut there?
video. Bye-bye. Say bye. Say bye. My baby very sexy. Oh, say bye. Happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday, Papa. 25 na tulos yun. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Papa. And
You use your chopstick.
Thank you.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.